Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I'm going to show to you all public transport in Malaysia. I tried to cover two public transportation. First is the bus, and after that the bus drop in a station, and we are walking to another public transport which is we call as MRT. You can see how big the station is, and the station is very clean. My friend and I we use public transportation in Kuala Lumpur when we are going around Kuala Lumpur. It is more convenient than we are using our own cars or motorcycle. And then this is the waiting area. The doors will open and close automatically. So that time we are waiting for around 5 minutes, and then this is the inside view, and from inside you can also look at the outside view. And throughout the journey I enjoy the MRT journey very much. When we take this MRT, there are less crowd during that time. And then after that we reach the next station, and you can see there are a lot of people are using MRT. Yes, we are already come out from there and the doors are closing. And yes, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very short video. I'll meet you all in another video. Bye.